There are two ways to start AC motors. One is across the line or full voltage starting, and the other one is using reduced voltage starts and accelerating the motor to full speed. Let's first look at across the line starts. Across the line starts are generally used in small and moderate-sized motor applications, where the torque, speed, and power requirements of the driven load generally permit a full voltage start. These starts can be implemented using manual or magnetic starters. In the manual starters, the contacts are operated by a mechanical linkage from the toggle handle or push button provided with the starter unit. While in the magnetic starter, the power contacts are operated by a coil. These starters switch the full voltage to the motor, which, of course, makes the motor pull all the locked rotor amperage at start. The across-the-line start method generally applies to all standard motors. There is no acceleration to this start method. This across-the-line start also provides 100% of its torque at start. The main advantages of across-the-line starts are that they are inexpensive, starters are readily available, installations are easy and simple to maintain, and they do provide maximum torque at the start. The main disadvantages are that they have a high inrush starting current, and the torque may not be reduced at start in applications which may require it. For example, in a conveyor application, if the motor is started across the line, the large torque may be too much during the start and cause a spillage of material. The main reason for starting an AC motor at reduced voltage before accelerating to full speed is to avoid the high inrush current created by the lock rotor start. However, there are additional benefits achieved by reduced starts, such as less electric power demand from electric power utilities and the wear and tear of switchgear equipment due to the large current pulled by the motors. This is especially true in locations where there are a lot of motors and they are starting and stopping with frequency. Reduced voltage starts provide smoother transitions in current, torque, and speed of the motor. There are 5 types of reduced voltage starts: the primary resistor, auto transformer, Y delta, part winding, and solid state, each one providing advantages and disadvantages. All of these methods, except the Y delta, provide closed transition, which means that power to the motor is not interrupted. The Y delta start provides an open transition, which means that power is briefly interrupted between the voltage steps.